Hi guys! Nandito kami sa parking lot sa likod ng building namin kasi nagpa-practice na naman si baby na. Ang ingay! May dumadaan na aeroplano. Ayun! Nagpa-practice si baby ng rollerblades. Ayan. Madilim, walang masyadong ilaw. Ayan na siya. Oops! Okay, come to me. Come to me, Baba. Oh! Oh! Careful.
That's what I wanted to do. So I may go there a little bit.
Where? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, follow me.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
It's enough? Madilim.
Okay, you're getting it. Okay. Go out. You know how to now.
Okay, day 3 na ngayon, no? Wow. Oh, may airplane na naman.
Go a little more. Marunong na, no? Don't walk.
Marunong na rin siya, guys. Kakatuwa. Oh. May sasakyan mo pa park. Where's the bag, kuya?
Okay, go. Enough na?
Okay.
Napagod ka? Napagod ang daddy. Oh.
Also?
No.
Guys.